Hello everyone, and welcome to my tutorial on how to use turret behavior in Construct 2. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over how turret behavior works, how to use it, and the benefits of using it. Now to start off, I'm going to be teaching you how to add turret behavior to an object. As you can see here, this object has turret behavior on it. If you don't know how to add that, you go to Behaviors. I already have mine in here, so I'm going to delete it. And you click Add New Behavior. And you scroll down to the bottom and you can click on Turret, which it says detects objects in range, rotates towards them, and fires. And once you have that, you'll see a lot of options you can play with on the left, such as range, which I usually set like really high so it can hit everything within my layout. Rate of fire, which dictates how fast you shoot. The lower rate of fire, the lower number, the faster it fires. So if I point like 0.1 something, it will fire super fast. And if I don't want it to rotate, I would disable this. It rotates at 180 degrees a second. It fires first in range, so if there was multiple of these targets, it would shoot the first one it sees. And its projectile speed is 500. Now, to use the turret, you have to have a couple events in order to make it work. First, you have to add the events every tick, and then you click Add Action. You click Turret. Mine's name's Sprite 4 because I didn't rename it, and you click Acquire Target. And you set the target to be your thing you want it to be attacking. And what this allows your this is what allows your turret to acquire your target and shoot at it. But it still won't shoot if you play the game. If you click Play Game and you go into the game and you go up to the turret, you'll see it tracks it, but it's not shooting me. Like I can shoot at it, but it's not shooting me. So what you have to do is you have to do turret on shoot. You do turret spawn another object, and you choose your bullet, which I made just turret bullet. And to make these bullets, it's really simple. All you have to do is add a bullet behavior, which if you don't know what that is, you click Add, and you go down to bullet, which allows it to move in one direction or bounce off walls. And that is the basics. Now there's a couple other things you can do with it. Like you can add different events that do different things for, like, you can make it shoot faster, so you can have like here, I'll show you guys a thing like wait, which event is it? My mind just blanked. You can have like, okay, here's one. You can have every X seconds. So if I want every 30 seconds, I can set the turret to set the fire rate up 2. So every 30 seconds it sets the fire rate to 2, which will make it shoot slower. And another cool thing about turrets is that you can turn on Predictive Aim. So as you saw before, my turret, what it did is this. It just like aimed at you, shot a few bullets. Oh, that's more than a few bullets. Just a second. I set my fire rate to 0, which it should only be 1, so it shoots every 1 second. As you can see here, it shoots every 1 second, but it like aims directly at my character. As you can see, it locks on and doesn't try to shoot me. So I can move in circles and strafe it, and it won't be able to hit me. But what you can do is you can set on Predictive Aim, which what this does is when you go into the game, you can see it aims in the direction I'm going. So if I was to try to strafe it, it would hit me. So you have to actually like dodge it. And that's pretty much it. That's the basics of having turrets in Construct 2. Goodbye and good night.